Hello and welcome to the Sandbrook Adventures, and this one is a real adventure because last night we got stranded at Eindhoven Airport.
We did, our flight got cancelled.
Yes, if you've been following our trip over on Theme Park Worldwide, our other channel, we've had a great time visiting some theme parks in Germany and the Netherlands. But yeah, due to the heavy snowfall back at London Stansted, the flight was cancelled, so we were left at the airport late last night thinking, what are we going to do?
I know, it was like, what are we going to do?
We thought we were about an hour and a half away from Amsterdam, so we thought we'll book a hotel, and we got the train down here this morning to Amsterdam.
Yeah, which is really nice.
Why not? We've not been here for quite a few years and never filmed anything round here for the channel, so I'm looking forward to taking you a bit of a stroll round Amsterdam at Christmas. Gonna have a little look around the ice skating rink here next to the museums, and also as well later on when it goes dark, go and have a look at the light trail that runs all the way around the light festival.
I'm looking forward to seeing it.
Yeah, I mean Amsterdam's a really pretty city anyway, and we thought, well, why not? We may as well. We've got some bit of spare time. Our flight's now booked for tomorrow instead, so we've got like a day and a half. We thought, well, let's just come to Amsterdam.
Exactly.
Why not? So it's a real adventure, this one. Come and join us, have a look around the city at Christmas time. Look at that gorgeous blue sky, but I tell you what, it is freezing cold again today. Not as cold as it is back home though. Well yeah, look at this absolutely awesome view with the museum there at the back, the Christmas tree, and the ice skating rink just here as well. Yeah, this is open through until February. And yeah, it's €7.50 to go on if you've got your own skates, or €14.50 to go on if you want to hire the skates down here. As you can see, they've got the little chairs as well. They don't seem to like skating aids here in the Netherlands, we've noticed.
Chairs?
Yeah, we saw that when we was at Efteling, and obviously those vlogs can be found over on Theme Park Worldwide. Yeah, really nice setup here with the ice rink, because I like how you've got all the trees, and you've actually got all these lights around the side here as well, which is nice. You got the little stalls over there as well. And yeah, there is actually a Christmas market. It's not started yet at the time of filming, but that's just off to the right here. It starts on the 15th. So yeah, they actually start quite late. I mean, we're used to being back in the UK, and like our Christmas market's opening like November, early November.
They're not on for that long, really, to be honest.
Yeah, like there's not loads either. It's just some small stalls that they're setting up just over here. But yeah, the ice skating rink is really nice here. And we thought we'll check out the light festival tonight as well, which is all around the rivers. And yeah, it looks really nice all around the canals of Amsterdam. So if you are coming to Amsterdam over the festive period, yeah, it's known as Ice Amsterdam. As you can see, you can get here by bike if you want to. Loads of bikes. You've got to watch out when you're walking around Amsterdam because they all cycle round. And yeah, you've got to have eyes everywhere. You've got to be looking at you, Charlotte.
You have,
yeah. How are you feeling now?
I'm feeling a little bit better, to be honest.
Oh,
I'm getting there slowly.
That's the thing. A bit of fresh air and the sunshine.
It should be nice,
yeah, it should do you good today.
Definitely.
Yeah, it's really pretty. They actually used to have a big Amsterdam sign just around here, didn't they?
Yeah, they did. I believe they've removed it, to be honest.
Yeah, shame about that, yeah.
It's a shame, 'cause it was a nice photo opportunity.
Yeah, it used to be just over here. Yeah, we were reading online. Apparently they've took it out because it became too touristy, they said. But yeah, a lot of people liked having a picture with that, didn't they?
Climbing on it, I think.
Yeah,
Took it out.
that's a shame. Yeah, because it was somewhere where that Christmas tree is there, I think. But yeah, ice rink's really nice around here. And like I say, the market's opening in a couple of days at the time of filming. By the time you're watching this, they'll be open. But yeah, it's a nice little setup down here. Nice ice rink. And the architecture of the buildings here in Amsterdam is amazing as well. Really is. Yeah, I'll take you for a bit of a stroll around later on and show you it all at night. Really pretty. If you don't like bugs, look away now. Look at all these just here. See, I was just walking in the passageway underneath the museum here now. Yeah, amazing architecture. I like how you got the grand atrium just in there as well. Really, really nice how that's all put together. Yeah, it's a massive art museum here, showcasing all sorts of different Dutch arts. But yeah, what do you think to these bugs just here? I do love looking at buildings like this though. It's really pretty. Amazing architecture. That's what's great about these European cities, and yeah, seeing stuff like this combines the older building and then the more modern structure, of course, with all the lighting fixtures and atrium that you can see just here. Very nice. And it looks impressive from the back, but it's even more gorgeous from the front. Another look just there at the huge museum. Yeah, amazing to see that. A gorgeous building, it really is. And yeah, of course, love all the canals here in Amsterdam. That building's really pretty there, isn't it? I like all the yellow on there. That looks great. Your favourite colour, Charlotte?
It is.
Really nice. Yeah, it's a great day for walking around. Cold, but nice and sunny. You got to watch out with the bikes here in Amsterdam. They're absolutely everywhere. Well, look at all the buildings just over there. Amazing, like how they're kind of sinking and all next to each other. I find it really fascinating, I do. Oh yeah, coming down just here. Nice yellow boats. Yeah, like just gorgeous, really beautiful city to come to. Yeah, just look at all the colours of the buildings, and oh, it's even nicer here in winter. I can't wait to see it with all the lights on. It'll be really nice. Well, it's a lovely Christmas atmosphere here in Amsterdam, and yeah, looking forward to all the lights coming on tonight and enjoying the city and the dog. What are you laughing at over here, Charlotte? Here we go. Look at this. We've got the official Pigeon Man 2022 just over here. Look at this. Here we go. Like hundreds and hundreds of pigeons. Like, look at him just walking. Like, what? He's got loads of food. What? Like, look at this. Full of pigeons. Oh, they're all coming towards us now. Ah. What is going on, Charlotte? Oh, they're all going crazy. They love pigeons, clearly. Oh. You having a nice day in Amsterdam, Charlotte? The pigeons. Yeah, done a bit of shopping, have a nice walk around, appreciating the lovely architecture, all the nice buildings, really nice. Here we go then, so the sun's gone down here in central Amsterdam and all the lights have come on now. Yeah, they actually come on at 5 o'clock through till 11 as part of the trail. And yeah, look at this here on this huge department store. We actually went in there earlier on. Yeah, fantastic, lovely Christmas selection in there as well. Obviously just down there you've got the big Christmas tree, all the nice lights on the buildings, and all down the street just here as well. Here in Amsterdam, we wasn't expecting to be here this trip, but here we are. Yeah, make the most of it, why not? Yeah, have a nice little stroll through all the nice lights on this fine evening. It's very chilly, not as cold as it is back home, I don't think, but yeah, it's still pretty chilly tonight. Have a nice stroll around, see some of these different light displays and the Christmas lights around the city. Oh, we got some lovely big presents just over here. We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And there's all Charlotte's presents just there. It's our ongoing joke over on Theme Park Will Buy, so we'll bring it here as well. There we go, look at all those, really nice festive display. Oh, how gorgeous is this at night with all the boats just here, decorate for Christmas as well. And yeah, I love the buildings here in Amsterdam. Possibly my favourite type of architecture. Like, look at that. There's all the different roofs and shapes. Amazing. I really like it. Don't want to walk too close to that. I was nearly in the water then. You had to come and rescue me, Charlotte. I don't think you'd be doing that. Come and rescue me. Oh, but yeah, lovely light. So we're walking down here. I've been looking online at a map for it. And yeah, it kind of starts outside that department store. And you walk down here, see all the lovely lights, and head down towards the train station. And yeah, if you want to do the full circular route, then yeah, I think it takes you a couple of hours if you want to see it all. So yeah, it's quite a walk round. But yeah, you do end up back here at the train station itself as well. But obviously you can nip in and out to the route, go down different streets and see different bits as well. All the way around here in Amsterdam. So yeah, lots to see. Oh, look at this, walking around the streets of Amsterdam. And yeah, look at that golden glow just up there in the skies tonight. Yeah, it's beautiful, really is. I'm not too sure exactly where we're going here for this, but we're somewhere down to the right of the train station now. And yeah, we can see some lights down that way. It's not like a continuous flow of lights, kind of like Blackpool illuminations or anything. It's just kind of different light installations, but I can't really see that much at the moment. But there's some pretty lights around. I'm just admiring this gorgeous city that we've not really explored properly before. So yeah, it's quite nice to do that. Just watch out for these bikes. Yeah. I was walking for about 10 minutes in that direction and we couldn't really see anything, could we? Yeah.
unfortunately.
I think that map shows like it's actually a massive long walk around that kind of back
It's
streets.
quite far out, to be honest, and everything's so spread out.
Yeah, I don't think it's quite what we're expecting with that. So we thought we'll just stick more around the city centre, have a look at the architecture and also the lovely Christmas lights, and we'll kind of see if we can see any of the trail along the way. But yeah, it didn't look very interesting when we got out that way, did it? I'll be honest. We saw some lights in the distance, but it was more like, yeah, this looks pretty just here with this gorgeous building, and of course as well, looking out over the looking out over at the lovely Christmas lights. Yeah, you got to watch these bikes. Yeah, they don't really give pedestrians right away, do they, when you're walking around?
They don't.
Right, yeah. Bikes have the right away here. Oh, I love all the cute little streets here in Amsterdam. All the shops, and yeah, it's got busier actually tonight. We were walking around in the daytime, it wasn't too busy, but yeah, tonight some people have come out, and yeah, as you can see, got some lovely lights all down here. It's just nice walking around. Oh, there you go. Imagine if you could eat that, Charlotte. Macarons just in there, are they? Oh, some of them treats look good. Big Kinder. Oh, look at them waffles there. Oh,
Do you want one, Sean?
look at them. They do look nice. Look at those. The digestive biscuit on top, strawberries. My favourite right there. They look good. They do look good. Oh, I love exploring around. Not really following a map now, just going with the flow really. Taking it all in. And hoping not to get run over by a bike. Yeah. Okay there, Charlotte.
Try to get out of the way.
You having a jog? Well, you know you're in the Netherlands when you can have a lovely photo opportunity like this. What are you in, Charlotte? Clogs! Just there, massive clogs. There we go. Imagine if your feet were that big.
I know.
Yeah. There they are, big clogs. This is nice up here. I'm not sure if it's part of the light trail or not, but it looks really pretty. There you go. Nice sleigh just up there. That's a really nice scene, made up of thousands of lights just up there. That's the thing about these cities. It's so nice walking around, just taking it all in, especially at Christmas time. Well, I'll tell you what, seeing these amazing festive views makes me quite glad actually that our flight was cancelled, else we wouldn't have come and seen this. Some of the best Christmas lights I've ever seen just here, all really nice over the road. And on the buildings just there as well, it says Happy Holidays. How American, I love it, just over there. Yeah, and on top of the lights and all these gorgeous buildings, it all just comes together really nicely. Yeah, it looks amazing. Some really festive scenes here in Amsterdam. And everybody thought of Amsterdam as a big place to come at Christmas, but obviously it is. Like, it's really nice around here. Might not have loads of Christmas markets, but what they do have lights wise and loads of shops and lots to do, yeah, it's really nice, really picturesque. So yeah, there's a look at a big book on the side of that building with the trees, and yeah, that looks gorgeous. Yeah, we're just walking down the street here now where we can see that Happy Holidays sign lit up there as well, a bit closer. Beautiful that is. Well, I'm having a nice time exploring Amsterdam on this very unexpected trip. Where's Charlotte here? Do you like rubber ducks?
I do, to be honest.
Oh, there we go. Come and have a look at this just over here. It's the rubber duck shop, full of rubber ducks. There is literally hundreds of different designs down here of rubber duck. Look at them all. I quite like this one here, Chip. Oh, that's a nice rubber duck. There's a big one inside there. I've lost Charlotte, she's in there. Should have bought about 10. Here's a really nice festive lights display on House of Ritual just here. Yeah, look at that. Really nice, all the garlands at the top. Looks very similar to the effect that I try and get back home. Not quite as impressive as here, but I think I do a good job with our Christmas decorations. Make sure you check out our various different videos, putting up the tree, the other decorations, and also our garden tree, all online on our YouTube channel. Well, we walked past this place earlier, and yeah, we're just passing it again. And just thought I'd point it out because it had a massive queue earlier, and it's still got quite a considerable queue now here. I'm not too sure exactly what it is, but yeah, it's obviously very well known for some sort of chocolates in there, I think. Van Wonderen, just here. Maybe there's somebody watching this who knows a bit about it, but there you go. It's a very small shop, but it's very popular. Yeah, biscuits, chocolates in there. Not too sure. It's very nice though, all the balloons, and look at the nice decorations up the top as well. But yeah, just thought I'd show you that. So yeah, this is kind of like the main high street for shops down here in Amsterdam, but there's loads of shops as we've found today. It's the first time I've really seen all the shops here, but yeah, there's a lot to walk around. While we continue having a nice stroll around Amsterdam this evening, taking in the lovely sights and sounds of this gorgeous city. Yeah, it's been great to get back here, have a bit of an explore around. We've had a full day here, enjoying it all. Yeah, and it's been fantastic. Obviously, you've got the central station just over there that's also got some nice Christmas decorations on. And yeah, I've never really considered Amsterdam as a city to come at Christmas, but you know what, I've really enjoyed it. It might not really have much in terms of Christmas markets here compared to a lot of other cities, but the stunning architecture and Christmas lights and just a really nice atmosphere has made it down here today. Yeah, it's been fantastic. Well, there we go, back here at the central station after a fantastic day. Have you enjoyed it, Charlotte?
Yeah, I really enjoyed it today.
Yeah, that's good. I hope the
lovely.
fresh air's done you good as well. You're not feeling too well. Yeah, it's been really nice. Have you got a highlight from today?
Just seeing the lights, to be honest, and just getting back and seeing it all.
Yeah, that's the thing. Yeah, it's been nice to spend more time in this lovely city. I mean, the architecture here, some of my favourite building style
Really
ever
nice.
here. Just the fact that, you know, the different buildings that are sinking and
Lovely.
other ones propping up against it and everything. It's just really unique. And yeah, it's a fantastic place to come. Definitely recommend it here in Amsterdam. Last minute trip for us.
It was indeed.
I wasn't expecting it, but we're here.
Exactly.
We've seen it.
Made the most
Yeah,
of it.
that's the thing, you know, we've got to have fun, haven't we, and make the most of these situations. Our flight was cancelled, so we thought we may as well come here and just have a nice day out.
Exactly.
Yeah, it's been fantastic. We might not have really seen the light festival like we wanted to, but it seems to be a lot bigger than we were
It was
expecting.
quite hard because it's quite out the way.
Yeah, it's not really in the main areas. I think also it's designed really to be seen from the boats around the canals, so I think we should have really pre-booked something, but we couldn't do that because it was already last minute. We didn't know we were going to be coming until like 12 hours ago, so it's been one of those, hasn't it? If we come again at this time of year, which I'm sure we will, we'll definitely do it, and we'll get one of the canal boats booked.
Be really nice.
Yeah, we went on a boat last time we were here, and that was great, but yeah, I think we'll come back at some point in the future and enjoy more of what this city has to offer. But thank you very much for watching, and have your own adventures. We'll see you all in the next video.